Okay, this video will show you a step-by-step guide on how to turn your page into a profile. Okay, this only applies for people who had a profile but turn on the professional mode. Okay, so the profile turned into a page. Let me show you what I'm talking about. See, this is already a page, but it was previously a profile. But we want to change it back to a profile. What do we do? Let me just show you. Now click on your profile image there. Just click on it once again. Click on these three dots here. Okay. Now turn off the professional mode. Continue. Just turn it off. Okay. Voila. We've successfully turned it off. Let me now show you how it looks. Just refresh it. Okay. It's now a profile. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Wait for me. I'll be recording another video. Just comment on what you want me to do next. Okay. Let's meet next time.